Hi Bellas, Janelle and Alex here for your April unboxing.
This month we are celebrating natural beauty. This is all about no filter, so that's the theme of this month. It's well and truly getting into autumn now, so it's all about your skincare, all about products that are going to make you glow and look perfect.
Yes.
So before we start off with the products that you all will be receiving, I want to quickly remind our Bellas that we will tell you which products that you will all get and which products that some of you will get. So we have different products for a lot of different reasons, but probably the two main reasons are that we have a lot of different allocations that we have for you guys. So sometimes we'll be allocating towards different states, different beauty profiles, so hair colors, skin colors, skin concerns, all the rest of it, and then other times simply brands can't give us enough for all of you lovely Bellas. So there is always going to be slight product variation, but that's also part of the fun of it, because it's all about beauty trial and surprise, and
discovering new things.
Yeah, discovering new products, sampling new products, and finding out what you're going to love. And we always ship in the middle of the month, so don't expect your box early in the month. It always ships from the middle, and then you'll get it from there on.
We will also put a shipping post up on our Instagram, so you'll be notified.
Yes, so always keep abreast of our Instagram rather than ask customer service, because it always happens at the same time every month.
Awesome.
So let's get started.
Yeah, so on to the first product that everyone will be receiving, and you guys would have seen this in our sneak peeks all over our social media. It is by Laurent, and it is their precision eyeliner. This formula is great because it's not only 100% cruelty free, which we love here at Bellabox, but it's also very long lasting, budge proof, and it has a felt tip applicator, so it'll make precision linings that much easier.
It's so pretty, the packaging.
Yes.
I'm also wearing it today.
So that's what it looks like.
And I'm not really very good at it, but managed to do it okay.
Yeah, and we had Laurent in one of our previous boxes, and you guys loved it, so we're keen to see what you guys think of this new product.
Awesome. So the next product that I will be revealing, actually, which we did speak about in the sneak peek for those of you who saw it, all the way from the USA, is Pathology. Now these are their flash patch rejuvenating eye gels. We've never sampled anything from Pathology before, so I'm really excited for you guys to try a new brand, a new product. You told us how much you love like kind of eye patches and things like that, so we're always listening. This is literally so easy to use. You just need 5 minutes, put the gels onto clean, dry under eye area for 5 minutes or longer if desired, discard and massage the serum into the skin. So it has really beautiful kind of rejuvenating, moisturizing gels that really help kind of give you that awake look, which we all like in the during the day, and are perfect while you're putting on your eye makeup as well. So as you know, it's always a great idea with makeup to start with your eye makeup. So if you have any fallout underneath, you can just wipe it off, and this is a great way to start doing that. So these are available on their website, and also available from Mecca. So you can either go in-store or on Mecca's website as well. So we're really excited to be featuring more brands that are available right at our doorstep.
Amazing. The last product that everyone will be receiving is by Kawaii. It's their brush cleansing egg. We're super excited to be doing this because we haven't done a beauty tool, a beauty accessory in a little bit, and we know you guys love switching it up, so here it is. This is amazing for obviously cleaning your brushes. All you need to do is wet your brush, put on a little bit of
gentle soap.
Yeah, a gentle soap, gentle cleanser, and just swirl it around the egg so that it can really remove the buildup of all that makeup in your brushes. We know that you guys will love this.
Cleaning your brushes is so important.
Super important.
The buildup of makeup can not only cause blemishes, but it can really alter the color of what you're trying to do as well. So if if it's your bronzing brush, for example, and you've got a lot of buildup of product on there, you're kind of spreading bacteria around your face, and you're not really achieving that even makeup look that you want. So this is amazing to use. And once you use, I think, like a proper brush cleaner like this, you will never go back.
Yes, and it makes it that much easier. So
that's right. So now onto the products that some of you will be receiving. I want to talk about
something very exciting.
This one, obviously dental care is a huge part of beauty and the way that you look, and also the way that you feel about yourself. And as you know, Bellabox, we're all about eco-friendly and socially responsible products when and where we can. So this is a bamboo toothbrush from the Humble Co. Now the Humble Co is a company that is all the way from Sweden and they are vegan and cruelty free, which is awesome. So this really won't add to all of those awful non-recyclable products out there. So it is made from 100% recyclable materials, safe and certified, and it is eco-friendly to dispose of as well. So these are available in Priceline.
Amazing. The next products are from Bochy. You will either be receiving the microdermabrasion exfoliating scrub or their detoxifying clay mask. So the scrub is really great for gently just taking off all like the dead skin cells that build up in your pores. It will be great for showing and revealing that natural look. It's great obviously for that no filter vibe that we're going for.
Yeah.
It's the same with the detoxifying clay mask. So just pop this on, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse with warm water to reveal your smooth glowing skin.
And if you're in Melbourne, Bochy have a beautiful store on High Street in Armidale, so definitely if you're local, check that out.
Yes.
Now the next product I have for you guys is from Aven. Now Aven are one of our favourite brands that do awesome French pharmacy products. So this is the Toleraine Extreme Rich Cream. This is ultra gentle, minimalist. It's beautiful for kind of coming into the colder months. I think it contains only the purest ingredients to help protect the skin's barrier while simultaneously smoothing and relieving from any redness and itching as well. So it's great for those of you with sensitive skin, and if you don't, it's still good.
Yes. The next product is by Bioderma. This is a brand that we love to work with here at Bellabox. It is their Hydrobio Gel Cream. This is great, especially when the cold winter starts to come.
Yes.
Super hydrating and soothing for the skin.
Another beautiful French pharmacy product as well.
You just apply this onto your face and makeup in the morning or at night as well after cleansing, and you should have really good skin after this.
Cool. So the last product that I have to show you that only some of you will be receiving is Nature's Common Sense Goat's Milk and Pawpaw Soap. This is such a good all-rounder. I've used this in my shower before. I absolutely love it. It's soothing and moisturizing. It's very gentle. It'll help with any inflammation and alleviate dry patches and any irritation you have. So this is a full size, 100 grams as well. Those of you who get it, I know you'll love it, and made in Australia, which is awesome.
We love that. Our bonuses for this month, you will either be receiving the OGX Coconut Miracle Oil Shampoo and Conditioner or the Shea Soft and Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. So these are obviously great for making your hair super silky and soft, taming the frizz, and we know you guys will fall in love with these. We're super excited to be working with OGX. So let us know what you guys think of these bonuses.
That's all for us, guys. If you have any questions on any of the products we've discussed today, just leave it in the comments below and we will get back to you. Or if there's any questions you have about different product combinations or delivery or anything like that, our customer service guys are ready and waiting to go.
Yes, so let us also know what you guys want to see on our socials, what kind of tutorials you want from us. And until next month, bye guys.
Bye.